Human beings made that, yes. Well, they carved it. No, that's way too new for Indians. Indians didn't speak English, buddy. Not when they were living here, anyway. Uh-huh. It is kind of hard to read, isn't it? Yeah, there's nobody around. I put him on the leash when there's other dogs around so he doesn't get in trouble. Because that belongs to this trucking company. Private property.
Did Piasa live in there?
Maybe, I don't know. He probably lived in all the caves.
Yeah. The last one probably. Can we go that trail?
Let's go the main one. We'll come back on that trail.
I want to go that trail.
We'll come back on that trail.
That one's not more candy.
No, it doesn't. More candy? What did you say?
Kingdom.
They all have the same amount, buddy.
Oh, cool. Kingdom.
Told ya. Kingdom. Kingdom means under trees.
Sit down and relax.
Yeah. Yeah. You should. We were just looking at the video a little bit ago. Hey, Logan.
Is that right there, the hump in the ground, is that a rock?
That's a rock.
Oh, I thought.
Here, isn't it? What you doing, Scruff?
Really? You guys really have the Kit Kat bites?
Yeah, people trash it, buddy. I told you, people do nasty stuff back here.
Why?
Because they can. People are just that way.
People aren't good.
Some people aren't good. Most people are, but some aren't.
That's all one.
Yeah, you gotta watch where you walk, buddy.
Can we go here?
No, we're going this way. We're going the main way like we did before.
Yeah.
Can you hear the water? Up ahead?
Oh, we're so close.
Yeah, it's not very far to the waterfall.
People are back here.
That's okay. It's all right, buddy.
Oh, cool.
Lots of people come back here.
Can I go in? Down?
Remember about the rocks falling?
Oh, cool, a piece. That's kind of pretty.
Yeah, peace sign ain't too bad compared to some of the other stuff written in here.
Oh, that's a cool school.
Buddy, where you going? I don't need you all muddy before you get back in the car.
Oh, there's the same bigger sign.
Yeah, enough with that. Oh.
The long, straight waterfall. Down here, Papa.
Huh? What's all over your face? Huh?
It's everything.
Yeah, you look real dopey like that. Yeah, it's falling a long way.
My head's getting wet.
We'll get out of there.
Can you go see the other cave?
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
New rocks have fallen.
Yep. They almost always have.
What's that back there? Hi. There's another whole cave. It's that little opening back there.
Yeah.
Wow. Can you point the camera at me? A bunch of new rocks fell in the cave, and this is where we look. And if you look back way over there, there is another little opening and some light. And we were just back there where another cave was, and it could have led in through there to that cave, and it's very well green and
Moss. Lots of moss, buddy.
lots of moss. So yeah, and there is
And
lots
that's the
of
way
green leaves and stuff.
in and out. Only one way.
And
Want to go over and look at the bird again? Oh. Huh? Nana get here. Yeah, it looks like our car, doesn't it? But look, it's got a thing on the back, on the trunk, that our car doesn't have. What are you going to do with it?
I'm gonna try to hit the Piasa.
No, don't try to hit the Piasa bird with it.
How about with the rock?
I'd rather you didn't. They spent a lot of money repainting it on there.
Oh, they painted that?
Well, yeah, how did you think it got on there? That's paint, buddy. That's far enough with the stick, Logan. No, that cave is fenced off, buddy. Okay, Logan, come back.
Why is it fenced off?
Because of how dangerous it is.
Rocks fall
Yes,
on top of people.
of course. If people are under them when they fall, then they fall on top of people.
I almost hit it.
Why do you want to hit it?